Hi, this is Gurumurthi, age 67. I have a sugar problem for a few years. I was taking allopathy medicines. When I was looking for alternative, I came across Vishal Saini's Go Nature. I joined the I-599 course. Could not complete my full syllabus, but during the period when I started following things that has been told by Vishal Saini, I could understand the different changes. And when I joined this 5-day course, since I know whatever Saini says, it's going to be something, a life changer, I attended all these things. Definitely wonderful knowledge, a lot of information, data backed, because present day anything you have to talk with a data backs, proper research oriented. So it was wonderful research oriented with supported documents where I can understand the effects of allopathy medicines and present circumstances. Actually, I too want to join Meta. That's actually inner heart. That's me too. But a lot of constraints, age, and other things cannot be shared. So that's the reason why I could not join. Otherwise, I would have been the first one to join with my both hands raised. It's wonderful. Thankful to Dr. Saini, Vishal Saini. I wish him a long life. I hope he can do this service to, it's a really what he's doing, a service to society. I wish him all the best. Thank you.